This is page 28. Katie has 568 oranges to put into bags. Each bag can hold 12 oranges. How many bags does Katie need for all the oranges? Alright, first we need to divide 568 by 12. Alright, first figure out how many times 12. We're going to 56. Let's see, 12 times 5 is 60. So that's a little too big. So let's try 12 times 4. It's 48. So that would work. So 12 goes into 56 4 times. 4 times 12 is 48. Subtract. 56 minus 48 is 8. Bring down a digit. Since you brought a digit down, we need to divide again. How many times 12? We're going to 88. Well, we know it has to be more than 5 times. So let's try 12 times 6. Let's try 12 times 7. Okay, so 12 goes into 88 7 times. 7 times 12 is 84. So we have 47, remainder 4. But this is not our answer to this question. How many bags does Katie need for all the oranges? Alright, let's go through this process. The quotient is 47. The remainder is 4. Quotient means that 47 bags can be filled with 12 oranges. The remainder means that there will be 4 oranges left over. Now we need to interpret the remainder. The question asks how many bags Katie needs for all the oranges. So we need one more bag to put this leftover oranges. Okay, so Katie needs a total of 48 bags for all the oranges. You can check your answer by multiplying 47, our quotient, times the divisor, 12, and adding the remainder, 4. Alright, let's check our answer. To do that, 47 times 12. 2 times 7 is 14, carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus that 1 is 9. Placeholder 0, because this digit 1 is at tens place. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 4 is 4. So there will be 4. 16, carry 1. There'll be 5. Now add the remainder 4 to it. There'll be 8, 6, 5. So it'll be 568, which is our quotient. So it works out. Thanks.